Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
All right.
Good morning, sir.
Those who are comfortable can turn on their video as well. Uh, Otherwise, it's fine, no problem. So, for today's session, you all know what is the theme? Is anyone?
Context.
Yeah. All right. So, there's no disclaimer for today. I'll jump directly to the topic itself because at last I'd like to discuss one thing. So, for today's session, let's jump to the topic itself. All right. Yeah, the context. So this is a basic, very basic, quite basic. I believe every one of you have done this activity in your schools. You simply make sentences out of the vocabulary or you've been given. But there will be a catch in this activity because we are language club, so we have to make it interesting and fun. So uh, yeah. There will be 5 words. I've chosen 5 vocabulary words. 3 of them are from the previous sessions of vocabulary. 2 are new words. You have to make simple sentences or you can make difficult sentences as well. On the basis of the quality of sentences you have made, you will be given some scores after the session. And for from now on, for every session you will be scored between 1 to 10, and at the end of the month you will everyone's score will be checked, and the one who has scored the best will be crowned as the achiever of the month. uh, he or she will be given some exclusive rewards and a certificate and some privileges. So this is going to be from this session itself. All right. So let's start with today's session. It's 9:05. All right. So the first word you will be given 1 minute time. You have to frame a statement or sentence which should make sense, and also keep in mind that sentence should not be discriminatory on the basis of anything like gender, caste, religion, anything. All right. So try to make it simple. You can make it funny, sarcastic, anything, but do not make it discriminatory. Understood? Any questions?
Yes,
Any doubt?
No, sir.
All right, so we should start the session. So the first word of this session is uncanny. You can see the meaning. The meaning of the word is strange, mysterious, unnatural, and example is written right over there. Okay, no more submissions from now on. All right. For those who have joined right now, please guys, please be on time because it makes difficult if you join a little bit later. All right. Let me just brief you who have joined right now that you have to make a sentence from the word provided. You can see on your screen, and example is also written over there. Like the statement could be an uncanny coincidence. All right. You have to make a simple sentence out of it. Nothing else. I believe everyone has framed their sentences. You guys need more time? Yes, you do.
Sir,
Yeah.
her uncanny behavior made me laugh at her.
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Her uncanny behavior made me laugh at her.
All right. Thank you, Indrakshi. Yeah. Abhishek?
There is something uncanny about the Bermuda Triangle.
Nice.
Sir.
Sir,
Yeah, Nina.
few people have uncanny way of sticking with things.
Can you please repeat?
Few people have uncanny way of sticking with things.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Please.
Yeah,
Real name? Noble.
it can be quite uncanny to see that he is reading book.
I asked, what's your real name?
Sir, Noble Sahu.
Noble is your real name?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow. All right. So, yeah, please say your sentence.
It can be quite uncanny to see that he is reading book.
Okay.
So can I?
Please.
My friend Rahul has the uncanny ability to know my thoughts before I speak.
All right.
So may I?
Yeah, Devashish.
The great Chanakya is always known by his uncanny intelligence and ingenuity.
All right.
Sir,
Yeah, Ayush.
many people have uncanny behaviors which we can't understand easily.
All right.
Sir, may I speak?
Yes, Preeti.
The house was uncanny.
Can you please repeat?
The house was uncanny.
House was uncanny. All right.
So may I?
Yeah, Shivani.
Yes, sir. Mrs. Otis felt uncanny sensation when she come to know supernatural activities still exists in their house.
Can you please repeat?
Yes, sir. Mrs. Otis felt an uncanny sensation when she come to know about the supernatural things still exists in their house.
All right. Yeah,
Good
anyone
morning, sir.
else? Yeah, Vyapa. Good morning.
The veteran politician treasures an uncanny ability to deceive people.
Please repeat.
The veteran politician treasures an uncanny ability to deceive people.
All right. Thank you, Vyapa. Yeah, anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Ashish.
Jeff is an uncanny man who like to eat raw meat.
Can you please repeat?
Jeff is an uncanny man who likes to eat raw meat.
All right. Yeah, anyone else?
So can I speak?
Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi.
In Delhi, everyone can experience the uncanny feeling present in Agrasen ki Bawli.
Yeah, repeat. Please repeat.
In Delhi, everyone can experience the uncanny feeling present in Agrasen ki Bawli.
All right. Anyone else?
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah, Tushar.
Sir, it's uncanny for the students. Minute. Sir, it's uncanny that the parents and the teachers think that marks are more important than the creativity inside an student.
It's quite a lengthy sentence. Please repeat.
So it's uncanny that the teachers and parents thought that the marks are more important for students than his own creativity and intelligence.
All right. Anyone else?
Sir, may
Yeah, Nupur.
I have uncanny feeling after watching a movie today.
Please repeat.
I have uncanny feeling after watching a movie today.
All right.
So may I?
Yeah, Deepak.
The thoughts of philosophists are philosophists are uncanny for a normal people.
All right.
So may I?
Yeah, sure.
Ram is an uncanny student who understands difficult topics easily.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I say?
Yeah, Saurabh.
Yes, uncanny trait to read others by watching his or her hands.
Please repeat.
Yes, uncanny trait to read others by watching his or her hands. Read in the sense, know about him.
Yeah, I understood the sentence. No, no. Okay. Yeah,
Sir, may
anyone
I?
else? Yeah, Tukeshwar.
Red Fort is one of the uncanny fort.
All right. Yeah, anyone else? Okay, that's it. So this was quite easy, and some of you might have cheated from Google itself. But so let's make it a bit interesting now. Now you are given a theme. Let's say politics. Please listen carefully. You are given a theme, politics, and you have to make the sentence out of that theme on uncanny. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? I mean, the sentence should relate to politics itself, not to any other thing.
Okay, sir.
You have 1 minute. Please frame your sentences.
So my sentence was from politics itself.
All right, you don't have to speak then.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Ayush.
Many politicians have an uncanny behavior.
All right.
So can I speak?
Yeah, Tushar.
It's uncanny that some people vote the politicians in exchange of some money.
Please repeat.
It's uncanny that some of the people vote to the politicians in exchange of some money or other stuff.
All right.
Mr. X has uncanny ability to fool people.
Repeat.
Mr. X has uncanny ability to fool people.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Nihal.
politicians are very uncanny. They can do anything to win the elections.
Okay. All right.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Twinkle.
Nowadays, it is uncanny to be a uncorrupted politics.
Please repeat.
Nowadays, it is uncanny to be uncorrupted politics.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah, Devashish.
Sir, many politicians makes uncanny promises before election, but after election, they only care about their budgets.
All right.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Nupur.
The politicians show a unwary behavior after winning the election.
All right. I believe they
Sir, may
show a natural behavior. All right. No problem.
Sir, may
Shashank, you can speak.
it is quite uncanny that he won the election without joining any famous political party.
Please repeat.
It is quite uncanny that he won the election without joining any famous political party.
All right.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Shivani.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's uncanny that many political leaders it's involved in unwanted action.
All right.
Me.
Yeah, Deepak.
For corrupted politicians, the behavior of loyal politicians are uncanny.
Please repeat.
For corrupt politicians, the behaviors of loyal people are uncanny.
All right.
Sir,
Indrashi. Yeah.
Politics without diplomacy is uncanny.
Yeah, please repeat.
Politics without diplomacy is uncanny.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Abhishek.
The statements made by some politicians are uncanny.
All right. Anyone else?
Sir, may I speak?
Yeah, Preeti.
The politics of vote bank is uncanny.
All right.
Sir, may I?
Noble. Yes.
Sir, all political parties are uncanny about their statement they had made.
Please repeat.
Sir, all political parties are uncanny about their statement they had given during election.
All right. Anyone else? Okay. So, yeah, many of made sentences were good. Some of the things you must understand that while making a sentence, you have to be particular about pronunciation of words. Present the sentence, because if I'm asking you that you have to repeat, then it means that maybe it is some detail error. I'm not able to listen to your sentence carefully, or maybe you are not able to present it in that way that I am able to understand in one way, in one go. All right. Or maybe it is such a different tense that I have to listen to it again. Right. So these are the three conditions could be possible. Those who were not asked to repeat must have presented in a very good way. So kudos to them. Let's let's make one more word out of it. Not this. Let's take this word. So the meaning of this word is supported by or involving two political parties. It is a bit hard word. Example is a bipartisan policy. Right. So you can make word sentences out of it, but it's political because the word itself is political. I do make sarcastic or funny sentences because that is more engaging kind of sentences. I'll give extra marks. You can make simple sentences as well. If possible, make sarcastic or funny sentences. All right. You have 1 minute.
Hello, sir, may I start?
Devashish.
Bipartition of India and Pakistan was done on the basis of religion. It is still now a big political agenda.
Bipartition, please repeat.
Sir, bipartition of India.
All right. I'll correct you after the session. All right.
Can I?
Yeah. Nihal.
Political leaders are running here and there to make a bipartition government.
All right. Anyone else? Yeah, Aditi.
Two rival parties had to join hands to make bipartisan government.
All right.
May I?
Yes. Neela.
It will take bipartisan effort as the law.
Sir, may I speak?
Yeah.
Congress and Bharatiya Samajwadi Party has a bipartisan agreement to defeat Bhajpa.
All right.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, no way.
The bipartisan government can do better work for the country. Single ruling party.
Okay.
Saka,
Yeah, Saurav.
Mr. Swami shows bipartisan character by speaking against his party.
Nice.
So can I?
Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi.
Do you think we ever find any bipartisan issues between the Democratic parties in the US?
Anyone else?
Yes, sir. May I?
Yes, you.
Yes, sir. India need bipartisan committee or government in order to run the system because two parties all opposition to each other, and in order to win, they always do for society.
Okay, please repeat.
Yes, sir. India needs a partition committee or government in order to run the system because two parties always in opposition to each other, and in order to win they do their work for society.
Alright.
May
Yeah,
I?
Jacob. Yeah.
Bi- so bipartisan policies between China and Pakistan uncanny.
Right. Nice.
Sir, may I speak?
Yeah, Preeti.
Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has visited Bangladesh to strengthen bipartisan relation between India and Bangladesh.
Okay. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, Tukeshwar.
Particle politics can do better development of any countries as compared to single ruling parties.
Could you please repeat?
Particle parties can do better development of any country as compared to single ruling parties.
Nice. Anyone else?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Deepak.
The position of JTU and BJP parties won in the Bihar.
Oh. All right. That's it. Okay. Thank you. This was quite many of you gave answers. So were spoke for first time, I guess. Yes. So I'm quite happy that you are now starting get comfortable and speak up. Appreciate the effort. There are mistakes in your process, but eventually you will understand that because okay, tell me one thing, guys. I want sessions on technical aspects of language, like for nouns, adjectives, example, or you could cope up by your classes from Manji sir. Do you want separate sessions for technical skills on language club or not? Because what
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
what I have observed that many of you were maybe wrong in pronoun or adjective or verbs. So that is a technical problem, but few presented very well, like Vyapak Det and Bhagya Lakshmi, Shivani and Saurabh, Deepak. They presented it very well. है ना और उन्होंने all right in Rakshi as well. All right. So from next session, what we'll do that we will repeat this vocabulary for the last time so that all these vocabularies are by heart mug up range and I'll promise them now on you won't forget vocabularies. All right. There was a guy who major problem is that you didn't understand the real meaning of the word. Partition is a word which could be used for policy which were made, the foreign policy which was made in parliament, which were supported by BJP as well, because both of them have their dirty hands. So some words like that, some sarcastic words I was saying, some of them, some of you tried for that, and yeah, thanks for this session. Anything else you'd like to add, or you have a problem you want to discuss with me? Anyone? Regarding club, time, content. All right. We have how many people we have? We have 24 people, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, 21 of you answered. The 3 who have not participated in the today's session, I want you to participate as well from next session. Please, many of these guys said some wrong sentences, but so okay. At least you made some effort. Session will be a fun activity as well, but it won't be vocabulary. Vocabulary revised and in the starting of the session, and then we'll continue with the fun session. I hope you guys like the session. It's 9:33. All right. Guys, like the session. We'll drop the feedback. Please write down your feedback, because you can write anything. You can even abuse me. It's quite simple as that, because your identity will be kept secret. No one knows who has recorded. So you can write anything. You don't have to praise me or praise the club. You can criticize the club, because we take criticism very positively. All right. So thank you for joining this session. Anyone, any ending remarks from anyone, or complain?
Sir?
Yeah, Vapar.
Sir, would you be pleased to amend the times, timing of this session, sir? I mean, I'm talking about the schedule. It starts at 9, and yeah, so it's 9, and most of the people I've spoken to, they have given me that it should at least start at 9:30, because so 9 is too early for most of the people.
From when do your start college classes? At what?
10:30.
So mostly
10:30.
So according to this, most of the so on most days the classes are on at 10:30.
10:30.
Yes,
so
sir.
From 9:30 to 10, will it be okay?
Perfectly fine.
Because a window of around 25 minutes only. That will be all right for you?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
That will be fine. So let me do one thing. Let me for that as well. There will be a time over there. You just pick your time. Then what you decide, will go with that time.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
this
sir.
session.
Thank you.
I hope
Thanks
you
a lot,
guys
sir.
learned.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day.